Alright, traders. Good morning. Today is 26th of November 2019. We are now live trading crude oil market. So time now is 9 a.m. New York time. We are on the buy position. So I just sent out the notification for this position. So the order already filled, and we are expecting to go for a quick scalp. We'll exit at 51. So 58.51 or 58.50 should be a good one, because this is quite a round number. So at this moment we are still in the minus position, and so this is how it looks like. So based on the current trend on the small time frame, should be a bullish as well for the mid-term time frame as well for the bullish condition. So we try to do a quick scalp, which I mean for a quick scalp, this mean to enter the market and to exit the market in the very fast period of time. So we did enter the market at around, let's take a look. From my time is 10:01, about 9 a.m. 1 minute, and still at the negative at this moment. So hope this quick scalp will bring a good profit for today. So as you can see now, still waiting. So let's focus on this price situation. The stop loss is somewhere at 58.24, and the profit targeted to be here. So hope it will not got stopped for this price movement, because this will be a quick scalp. Okay, let's wait. So I'm expecting to finish this trade around 15 minutes or 20 minutes on the both side, which means within this time frame period of time, we will know that this trade is a good trade or not good trade. So we are risking around 14 ticks. So we can see as well there's a large volume waiting at 58.50, which is quite good. If we pass this nearest side, we got a two nearest side over here, and there's a high volume waiting at this price level. So I'm assuming that the market will go for a quick upside on the short period of time. By the way, we are looking at the smaller time frame at this moment. There's a 10-minute chart as well on this area, 15 minutes and also 5 minutes. We are waiting for another big volume to come in, hopefully to push the price up, not to the downside, but still quite worried at this moment, because we are near to the stop loss target price. Okay, so now we see a green candle. Hopefully this one will close perfectly in a green bullish candle. So this will indicate that the market will have a strong upside to the 58.50. So let's wait some more time. Time now is 9:12. We are about 10 minutes inside the market, and we are on the buy position at this moment. We can see that I'm holding a negative PNL. Let's wait. So we are now looking good. I just mentioned it now. The candle seems not really healthy. So let's wait. So hope to close in next 5 minutes, because still seeing that the market as a bullish, and now it's a pullback. It's quite common, typical pullback, and I'm expecting for it to go further up. So there's a high tendency for the market to reach 59, maybe, or 58, 75, or 58.80 for tonight. But we just do scalping. If we are looking at the higher time frame, we might manage to get it to this price level. Was unlucky. We did lose around few ticks. This means hit the stop loss. So the PNL for today is minus 300. So we did hit the stop loss. Our entry is over here. So let's wait. If there is another signal, might appear later. I'm still bullish on the market. So let's wait and see. Alright, guys. We still requeue on the same position. So as for now, I'm queuing at 50.38. So targeted to go to 58.50 or 58.51. So market still bullish in my perspective. And so let's wait until this order got filled, and let's see whether the market will burst and boost further up. So this is a quick scalping we are waiting for. As for previously, we did hit the stop loss. There's small losses, and okay, let's wait. It will trigger. Okay, order fill. This was a good one, I guess. At this moment, positive 120 for this trade. We have the first one already hit the stop loss. So hopefully the market keep rising up. So it's supposed to be a quick one. So let's wait and see. Okay, the highest now is 58.47, and we can sense there's a high volume waiting at 58.70 as well as 58.50. So let's be patient. There's a more tendency for the market to reach 58.60, I guess. So at the current situation, we hope that the market go to our favor. It was one good one. So the second entry took about a few minutes. So we just enter into the market. So let's take a look on the log. So this one entering at 9:33 New York time. This is my local time. So we have been in the market for 5 minutes. The highest reached around 9 ticks from our entry. So we still have to wait. Plus 100. So any moment I'm targeting another 5 minutes or 3 minutes. So another 2 more minutes will my entering to the new candle, and hopefully that this will give a burst to the further upside. So very large volume waiting at 58.50. This is a quite not common number. Let's take a look. Okay, 336. As you can see over here, it's very high. So I better to change my TP to 58.50. So I will advise in my Telegram as well to change SL to 58.50. Sorry, not SL, the TP, the profit price level. So this is due to the very high volume waiting around 336. So we keep climbing up, looks good. So we did enter here, and as it at a 58.50, now we are going into the new candle. Another 5 or 6 more ticks to go. Let's queue at the high volume. Looks good so far. Okay, now the market did reverse back, so let's wait. Okay, any moment it will burst further up, so profit now is 160 for this trade. So overall still negative, but it should be okay. It's a very strong, nice candle can be seen. It looks trendy. Time now is 10:41 my local time, so New York time is 9:41 a.m. in the morning, and we did enter this second trade at 9:33. So we are about 8 minutes inside the market. So target to complete it within 15 minutes or 20 minutes. Or sometimes we might get below 1 minute time. So let's wait. But still there is a larger volume waiting at 58.50 and 58.48. It's quite a huge number over here. You can see both price level have the same high interest from the seller, I guess 58.49. So it's split into two, 58.50 and then 58.20, 40.49. So the market might go for the high, I guess once it penetrates 58.50. Okay, on 58.63, also very high. I will change one position to 58.60. Oh, so on the Q1, so let's change. Alright, one position to exit at 58.50. Another one at 58.60. So another 10 more ticks. So 58.63 is quite a good number as well. So it's still waiting. This one looks good on the PNL. Hope to recover the first trade. Although the first trade also with the same entry price, the same stop loss, and the same TP. So let's wait a few more minutes. So there will be larger volume entering at another in 9 minutes time. So as you can see, there's a large volume still waiting at 58.50, 374, 100 plus at 58.49. So this is quite interesting price level. On the higher side, you can see that 58.60 as well, 58.63. Very large volume waiting here. So this looks good for our position, and 58.70, 150 as well. So let's go back to the chart. We almost hit the TP, which is okay. We hit. Okay, we hit the TP. Looks good. So we did enter at somewhere here and exit at 50.50. So another entry will be at exit will be at 50.60 due to the very large volume waiting on the higher side, which is at 58.60, 58.63, 58.70. So it's quite a strong candle can be seen now. So this is a scalping US session and day trading crude oil market, and as you can see, I'm using a simple code, especially under the smaller time frame, how to scalp the market during the opening of US session. Normally we'll only stay in the market for quite a few minutes only, no less than 40 minutes. The best is 1 or 3 minutes time. It happens multiple times. You can see my video in the description in my playlist. Okay, looks good. Price reach 58.54 just now, so we have to wait some more time. Hopefully in the next 7 minutes we are entering another hour. There will be large volume to trigger to this higher side. So let's wait. I will queue also for the second position at the 58.60. Hopefully can finish this one. Okay, looks good. So target at 58.60. So I did mention as well in my live Telegram channel. This 58.60 is quite interesting for the second TP targeted area. And let's go back to the chart. Hopefully the price can go to this direction and hit the second TP at a 58.60. Okay, now entering a new candle. And as for now, looks like profit taking activity can be seen clearly from this price level. So let's take a look on on our depth of market. Looks like the market on the higher side still maintain on the higher position. We can see that 58.60 maintain the highest number at around 215. So this looks good. As for now, this is the next highest on the upward position size. You can see here. So I did Q earlier when the volume is around 100 plus. So now the volume became 200. So it's quite interesting for our current position. So this will be the target. Alright traders, resume back again. So there's a second signal appeared at 50 and 19. We are going to short sell the market and target TP at 50 at 03. So order already filled. It was a good one. So let's wait whether this one is a good one or not. So time now is 10:49 a.m. New York time, and second trade we are on the short sell position. Okay, let's take a look on the volume. There's a high volume waiting at a common price level around that number at 58.00. This indicate there's a normal typical. So let's take a look on the higher price level waiting other than 58.00. So there's a secondary price level which is quite high at 57.96. So have to wait. So the candle is not really promising. We just break the nearest low, but perhaps this profit taking activity been happen at this price level. So we hope another 15 minutes will contribute with a better candle on the right one. So hope for the strong one, and then we can hit the TP area. So as you can see, the highest the nearest high volume appeared at 58.00, and there's a second larger volume at 57.06. Let's take a look another price level if there is any. Nope, I think that's all for this moment. 58.00 and 57.96 now reduced. We have to wait. Looks good. We are already on positive plus 4 ticks, so should be around 80 US dollar in profit. So let's take a look back. This will be the nearest low, although the good low is somewhere here. So hopefully the price trigger and go further down. So our TP targeted at 58.03 should be around 16 ticks. So let's wait. Looks good. Very strong red candle been seen at this moment. We're on the short sell position. Price move already about 7 ticks or 6 ticks from our entry. Let's keep it as it is. So this is what we want. Hopefully the price can break the nearest low, which is at 5809, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, sorry, 5808. So it's not far. Once it's breakthrough, then our TP is around 5803. So we might go to this direction on the short seller position. Price might go to the typical price level of 57.95 or 57.93. This is based on the common price movement for the crude oil market. So let's wait patiently. Hopefully the price can break through this nearest low and proceed with the further low to our TP area. Looks strong, so any moment we can see there is a burst to the downside. So actually we can increase our TP area to 5800. Okay, now we're almost there. Almost there. Almost hit. Almost hit. Almost hit. We hit. We hit. We hit. We hit. It was a good one.